Europe, 1945. The continent lies in ruins, millions dead, cities reduced to ashes, and a world struggling to understand how humanity could descend so far into barbarity. But among the rubble, one question emerges. How do you judge what has never been judged before? The war had ended, Germany had surrendered, but the world was only beginning to uncover the true scale of the horror. The images of Auschwitz, Dachau, and Treblinka shocked humanity. The horror was indescribable. It was not enough to point fingers at the guilty. A precedent had to be set. For the first time in history, the leaders of a nation would be tried for crimes against humanity. 24 of the most powerful men of the Third Reich sat before the tribunal. Some were architects of war, others directly responsible for extermination. But they all shared the same defense. We were only following orders. The prosecutors presented four main charges: conspiracy against peace, war crimes, crimes against humanity, planning and waging aggressive war. The tension was clear: obedience versus individual responsibility. The judges presented irrefutable evidence: photographs, films, testimonies of survivors. For the first time, the world heard direct accounts of the Holocaust. The silence in the courtroom was absolute. Some defendants remained arrogant, others broke down, but the truth was undeniable. On October 1st, 1946, the sentences were delivered. 12 death penalties, 7 prison sentences, 3 acquittals. Justice had spoken. But beyond the verdicts, Nuremberg left a legacy. The idea that no leader, no state stands above international law. Nuremberg was not just a trial, it was a mirror in which humanity saw its darkest shadows. Since then, every international tribunal, every genocide trial, carries within it the echo of those words: crimes against humanity. Because remembering Nuremberg is not about looking at the past, it is about reminding ourselves that justice must be eternal.